Welcome to Dicey Roads, Railways. To play the game you need to dice. Pencils in for colors. And a game sheet with additional pencil for every player. On the game sheet you can see color table, a game map with cities and factories on the outside, tracks table, factories and cities tables, a scoring table, and a place for final score. At the start of the game, one player rolls two dice. Each player decides which one to use as color die and which as building die. In this case, player used 3 as color die. He can choose what color to use on the terrain, red or green. He uses 4 as building die. He can choose any track shape from according row from tracks table. After crossing out chosen track, player fill one empty field on the map. He decided to use red from color die and a cross shape of the tracks. In this shape, one track is going over another one. Train cannot turn on this field. Next turn goes in the same fashion. This time the player uses 4 as color die and 5 as track die. Then chose to use yellow color and turning tracks shape. Shapes from track table can be rotated. From the third round, after filling one field on the map, each player have to choose to color one of the surrounding areas, crossing out one of the color from factories table, or colors row from cities table. In this case, player decided to color one surrounding city with yellow and green. He choose the B city. It will now need yellow and green goods to be delivered here to score. In the following round, player colored one factory with green. Factories will send goods by trains to the cities only when they share the same colors and there is a connection between them. In this case, the goods will be delivered from green factory to B city. You can watch next rounds or go to the scoring chapter for more details about scoring. It starts about 3:30 on the video. At the start of scoring phase, color left sides of scoring tables according to colors of associated cities. Now, one by one, look at every connected factory with corresponding color of the city. In this example for a city, there is only one correct connection. By using it, train can deliver 3 green goods. 1 from the green factory and 2 from green fields, then 1 red good from the red field. Player notes this on the scoring table. You only gain points for sets of goods, so in this case there is just 1 correct set. For the B town there is also just 1 connection, this time with 2 green goods and 1 yellow. For the C town there are 3 correct connections. From the first there are just 3 blue goods. From the second to green goods and 3 blue goods. From the third for green goods and 1 blue good. After summing it up, player transported 6 green goods and 7 blue goods. It means that this city will score 6 points. For the D there are 5 red goods and 1 yellow good delivered. When scoring each city there is one situation to talk about. If the single connection goes through one field twice, you take good from this field just one time. In case of this marked connection, you will gain 3 red goods. 1 from the factory, and 2 from the fields, despite the train goes twice through one of them. After summing up goods from all connection, there are 4 blue goods, and 7 red goods delivered, which gives 4 points. F City have 7 yellow goods and 13 blue goods delivered. Player will gain 7 points for it. After summing it up, player write final score on the top of game sheet. Player with the most point wins the game.